everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and this is like two-thirds of my wife sitting here. Very nice. And how many pounds have you lost, young lady?
28 pounds.
28 pounds.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's like a third of your body weight. A quarter? A quarter.
Yeah, maybe a quarter.
Great job. Hard work, diligence, perseverance. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Very
I'm
proud
proud
of
of
you.
myself too.
You
Took
should-
6 months. I did it, you know, in a good way.
In a good way. Diet, exercise.
Jesse kind of like audited my diet, and because my cholesterol was through the roof, and fixed me up, and
you're feeling good? You're feeling vibrant, young, full of piss and vinegar, things like that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. But again, just want to say, love you, proud of you.
Thank you.
Hard work, paid off.
Thank
And this thing.
you. Yeah.
Another one of those little notes that get left at our house. And did you want to elaborate what happened to Larry's?
Well, when we were over Larry's, after my brother, for those of you who don't know, but I think everybody knows.
They should know it.
We went over there for some challenges, some activities and stuff, and when we all came outside, they had spray painted the pool, the tiki bar, but when I say they, I don't know who did it because those guys were there, and we were all in the kitchen, so I mean, Kevin wasn't there. I don't know. Weber wasn't there either. So I don't know what was going on.
Childish crap.
But when we got home that same night, that note was taped onto our door. And I don't know what this means.
Psycho family wankers, get ready. What the heck's wankers?
It's almost like it's a threat, but I don't know. I don't know what wankers is.
I have no idea yet.
We'll have to
This
look
is
it
what
up.
I think of it. Almost made it in the basket, but it didn't. But it's bull crap. Stay away from my house. That's the way I look at it. Stay away off our property. I don't want, I don't want anybody getting hurt for being stupid. That's the problem.
There's no way you can even figure anything out with that. There's nothing that you can, besides dust for fingerprints, but that's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's going a little to the extreme for a note, but Jesus, just, stay out, stay away. I ain't got time for it.
Yeah.
So, looking at the bird feeder, hon, it looks like it's almost empty again. Did you spy anything today? No? So we've been having a problem with the bird feeder probably the last 3 to 4 days. I've been filling it up, and then by the time I get home at the end of the day, or sometimes in the morning, it's completely empty. Now, I filled it up last night, and we'll show you in a minute, but it's gone. Now, we have a lot of birds, of course, but this isn't birds, so I don't know what the heck it is. So I took one of our Reolink cameras and I stuck it on Terry's mushroomy.
Well, I can take the camera over there after we open these. And I apologize that these have been here for a while. We just haven't gotten around to filming opening them.
Right.
So we're going to do that now.
All right. You want to open that now, or you want to look at the bird feeder? What do you want to do?
How about we open this?
All right. We'll open some of these or all of these. And this is from Bob Leonard or Leonard. It's an LEO.
Yeah, I don't recognize that name. I apologize if I should, but do you recognize it?
No. Not to say. Dear Jeff and Terry, my name is Bob. I love your channel. I'm from Boston. Go Red Sox. I'd rather go Phillies, but you can go Red Sox. Your pranks on Uncle Larry. I have an idea to prank you. I'm not going to give away an idea on the camera for future if we need it, because a lot of people like to dime us out, to the other group.
Yeah.
So maybe we record an audio of a certain thing. Also, you could come back and okay. Hey Bob, thanks for the ideas. We may use them. I don't know, but again, I didn't want to give it away. But thanks for the advice. We appreciate that. Next we have, this is to the Ridgways, Jeff. Oh, this is a Jeff thing. This is not, usually it's Terry things. I cut away from myself too. Oh, and then there's another box.
Is it really?
Well, I read the caption on there or whatever, so.
Well, I don't want to read it. It might destroy something, right? Oh.
Because it is that.
Who is this from? Did you get? Was there a note or anything?
I didn't see it.
Oh my God! Look at this. It's adorable.
That is good.
Look.
Yeah, that's cute. But no, it didn't say anything on there who it's from.
Nothing?
No.
Well, let me know who this was from in the comments.
Oh, wait a minute.
Thank you so much.
Wait a minute. Return. A gift for you. Enjoy.
I'm just getting my gnomes out in my village here, so yeah,
Oh,
this will be a great addition.
There's nothing on that. And God knows we would say something if we could figure it out.
No.
Next, from Dave, Jack, and
mysteries.
Anita.
Hi,
And
Johnny.
this says to Mr. and Mrs. Ridgway and pets.
Johnny,
Since our pets are sitting here with us, which they always are with us.
It'll be for you, Johnny. And Luna Tuna. Come here, Luna. Come over here, baby.
Johnny likes likes the bag.
He thinks it's Christmas. He's opening his presents.
Oh, this is like a double one here.
Oh, he said not to use a knife.
Oh.
Oh no, you know what?
Here.
That's
You
this
can read
one.
that if you want.
Mr. and Mrs. Ridgway, Luna, and Johnny. Johnny Bobani, B5 Bobani. I love you, Johnny. I've been singing that to him since he was a puppy.
Aw. Speak of puppies.
I always put pet snacks inside Ziploc bags. That's a good idea. To keep the odor from getting in. Jack still picks the cards. He enjoys it so much. Your videos are awesome and very professional. We look forward to them every time. Take care and God bless. Dave, Jack, and Anita. Thank you, Dave, Jack, and Anita.
Yes, thank you, Dave, Jack, and Anita. And there's a bunch of pepperonis in here.
Oh, nice. They
To the
do
face,
like
pepperoni.
pepperoni.
And for the adults, well, at least one adult right now, because I don't think my lovely wife is eating them right now. Woohoo!
Nice.
Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. I love these things.
He does. He eats them every day.
Every day when I come home.
Just a handful every day. I mean, he's in good shape, you know. Johnny, come here. Look. It has pepperoni.
You got pepperoni for your bad breath.
Yes. Why don't you sit down, buddy? Huh? Sit down, buddy.
World of Wonder gifts. What type of wonder world are they?
Why don't you go sit in the shade? Look, Luna's smart. She's sitting in the shade. I just love her. Look at it.
Box in a box.
What?
Enjoy your gift, Jeff.
Does it say who?
It says the pot smokers from Terry. Terry the pot smokers from Terry.
Well, then I'm giving it to you. What do you?
No, I think it's for you.
Wait a minute. Oh, you got the pole dancer.
Oh,
Right? Isn't that what this says?
I don't know. That's a different one. That's from a different note.
This might be for you.
Enjoy your gift, Jeff. Pole dancer, Terry the pot
maybe
smoker.
not.
Right.
Ah. I love him. Thank you. He didn't even put his name? Or his name is Terry?
Yeah, I don't know. It says enjoy your gift! Exclamation. Jeff (parentheses pole dancer) Terry the pot smokers from Terry. So
It's
thank you, Terry.
420 somewhere. Look at that fella. Isn't that cute?
What is it? 40
It
something?
says
Somewhere?
it's 420 somewhere.
Oh, 420. Got it.
Oh, I love it. Look at the turtle. He's high too.
Yeah. Cool.
Nice.
Back in the day.
Thank you so much.
And I hope the name's Terry. You know. So.
This is the one I think you're not supposed to use the knife. Jeffrey, you're not supposed to use the knife.
Let me do
See, he doesn't listen to me ever.
You got to start the edge.
There's a pair of scissors right here. Although that a blade might not be
Yeah.
good. Here, hand me that knife.
Why?
Because you're making me nervous.
Ah, I've always made you nervous. There.
Don't bend it. Anything.
I'm not.
And this is from Dave, Jack, and Anita also. You guys are all awesome.
Yeah,
Awesome.
we do. We greatly appreciate everyone. Dave, Jack, and Anita, we greatly appreciate you guys. There is a note.
Thank you.
Why I work on this.
You must have like a box of these cards. Those are cuties. He's still picking cards. Oh, I'm glad you like the pranks.
You got it, John?
Oh, these are for our yard. Take care and God bless, Dave, Jack, and Anita. John, you making a mess?
Open it. And just if anybody can't tell, it is a gorgeous day in East Bumble. So, Pittsgrove Town is like what, about 75, 80 degrees, sunny all day. Kind of dry right now. Grass is already starting to brown up in spots. So we started doing a little mulching yesterday. We got 10 yards dropped over there. So we're doing a little work around the yard trying to get ready, but we could use some rain. Don't use the knife!
Oh,
Oh, that's nice.
oh my God, and she's got butterflies.
Here you go.
Look.
I'll hold that one. So
Oh
what,
my
you just,
God,
I guess you just wedge
so
these in the
much.
ground?
Yes.
Oh, that's cute. It's cute.
That is so thoughtful. So much. Oh, thank you so much. This is just.
It's too much.
Oh, look.
Oh, that looked like me when I had my
I
beard.
love the butterflies on them too.
There's another one? Oh,
You guys spoil me.
yes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dave, Jack, and Anita. We appreciate it. I don't know if kisses are up, but she caught me up. I did it, so.
All right, so you want me to?
Yeah, I want to show what I was talking about
camera?
over here. And show Johnny, too, because he tore the shit out of those boxes.
Johnny, what are you doing?
And you're always out of breath, bud.
What did you do?
Look.
Look what you did. You
Johnny.
think it's Christmas, huh? I'm going to give you pepperoni. Say hi, Luna. Luna.
So did you want to show your other edition that you've
Well,
done?
I'm not done everything yet. So, you know, doing things. I did just make a in-the-ground pool for them.
Yep, that was your first attempt at concrete, right?
Yes, my
Very
first attempt.
So I put one of our Reolink cameras on this thing that's battery operated. So
On my mushroom.
yeah, I stuck on a mushroom and pointed it towards the thing. As of last night, I haven't checked any footages, but I was able to see. But this, every day I was filling this thing to the top. 1 gallon container of mixed wild bird feed. And then usually, or sometimes by the next morning it was empty, or by the next afternoon it was totally gone.
Yeah.
But today, at least I have a little bit left. Still a lot of wild seed and sunflower seeds in here, so we'll look at it and see what we can figure out.
And that is a lot of seed when you have it filled.
Right, I know. And again, we got a lot of birds. We love the birds. I got hummingbird feeders over there, so they're in. We got 4 or 5 already back from last year. We have usually around 8. So
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll figure it out and find out what the heck's doing this, and hopefully we'll have something for it for the video. We'll check it out. So But we appreciate everybody, all the gifts. You know, it's very heartwarming to us. We appreciate the fans and you know how much they care about us, because we do care about you. So I want to wish everybody a good day and a happy life.